In this video for the Terra Firma Cowl Knit Along, we're going to be talking about swatching. You're probably thinking, oh my word, Amanda, why do you want me to swatch for a cowl? I promise you that in this case it is not about gauge. Gauge is obviously important because it helps determine the finished size of your piece. But for this, because you're going to be wearing it around your neck or gifting it to someone who's going to be wearing it around their neck, it's more about the drape and getting a fabric that you love. It's all about gathering data, and the data can help you later on in this process where you can use a calculator to determine the finished size of your cowl and how much yarn you'll be estimated to use. Swatching is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First up, knit it. You can use the Swatch recipe to knit your swatch, and that is in the pattern. I include those because a lot of people don't know how to swatch or aren't sure what stitch pattern to swatch in. So the Swatch recipe gives you the exact swatch that I used to swatch for the cowl, and so you are comparing apples to apples. You know exactly whether it's blocked or unblocked gauge, how it was washed, and all of that. Number 2 in swatching is to weigh your swatch. Grab a scale and weigh your swatch to tenths of grams for the most accurate estimations, and you can use that information in the calculator to help you determine how much yarn you're going to use for your final cowl. The last step in swatching is super important, and I know you're probably thinking, wow, do I really have to wash this? Blocking your swatch is really just about washing your swatch the same way you're going to wash the final piece. This helps set the stitches in the same way that the finished piece will be when you wear it, so that you're getting a more accurate measurement and an accurate feel for how the swatch drapes and other characteristics. In the next video, we'll talk about how you can evaluate your swatch to figure out whether you love it or you hate it.